morning, stretch up high. Brush your teeth, brush them till they shine. Make your bed, tuck it neat. Put on your clothes, get on your feet. Start your day with a happy smile. Eat your breakfast, healthy and bright. Drink some water, sip it right. Pack your bag, don't forget your shoes. Wave goodbye, no time to snooze. Morning routine, let's begin the day. Wash your hands before you play. Clean up your toys at the end of the day. Help your parents do a chore. Sweep the floor, mop and more. Daily chores are fun this way. Lunch is ready, eat and cheer. Water, fruits, veggies here. Take a little rest or nap a bone. Then play and laugh, clap, hop, tap, bo. Daily routine makes us strong and clear. Wash your hands, brush your teeth. Put on pajamas, nice and neat. Read a story, cuddle tight. Turn off the lights, good night, good night. Daily routine, sweet.